Hello children, in this session you are going to learn successor and predecessor of a number and comparison of numbers. First we learn about successor of a number. The number that comes just after a given number is called successor. To find the successor of a given number, add 1 to it. For example, here the given number is 99,99,999. To find the successor of 99,99,999, add 1 to it. Then it becomes 1 crore. Therefore, the successor of 99,99,999 is 1 crore. Similarly, the successor of 52 crore 65 lakh 21,985 is, to just add 1, you may get 52 crore 65 lakh 21,986. One more example. The successor of 6 crore 32 lakh 21,480 is, add just 1, you may get 6 crore 32 lakh 21,419. Now we learn about predecessor of a number. The number that comes just before a given number is called its predecessor. To find the predecessor of a given number, subtract 1 from it. For example, the given number is 10 lakh. To find the predecessor of 10 lakh, subtract 1 to it. Then it gets 9,99,999. Therefore, the predecessor of a 10 lakh is 9,99,999. Similarly, the predecessor of 41 lakh 52,100 is, subtract 1 to it, you will get 41 lakh 52,099. One more example. To find predecessor of 98 crore 38 lakhs, just 1, subtract 1 to it, you will get 98 crore 37 lakh 99,999. Next, how to learn and understand comparison of numbers. To learn and understand comparison of numbers, the rules are generalized here. Rule number 1. The number having more digits is greater. For example, here given two numbers, 9 crore 65 lakh 42,356 and 6 lakh 21,321. Observe the given both the numbers by counting digits. Here the first number is a digit number, whereas second number is 6-digit number. A digit number is greater than 6-digit number. Therefore, we can say 9 crore 65 lakh 42,356 is greater than 6,21,321. Hence, when we compare two or more numbers with different numbers of digits, the number with most number of digits is greater number and the number with least number of digits is small number. Look at two more examples. To find greater or lesser number, read the given number. 2,17,53,123 and 63 crore 2,12,501. Count the digits in both the numbers. So first number having 8 digits and second number having 9 digits. Therefore, 2,17,53,123 is lesser than 63 crore 2,12,501. One more example. Read the given number. 48 crore 10 lakh 54,731 and 13 lakh 12,198. Now count the digits in both the numbers. The first number having 9 digits and second one having 7 digits. So 9 digit is greater than 7 digit. Therefore, 48 crore 10 lakh 54,731 is greater than 13 lakh 12,198. Now let us solve using rule number 2. For example, 2 crore 12 lakh 36,232 and 3 crore 56 lakh 45,021. Observe both the numbers. Both the numbers having 8 digits. Since the number of digits in both these numbers are same, we follow two-step procedure to find answer. Look into first step. When two numbers have the same number of digits, compare them as place value from extreme left digit to right digit. Look, first digit of this numbering is crore place. They are different. They are 2 and 3. 3 is greater than 2. Therefore, 3 crore 56 lakh 45,021 is greater than 2 crore 12 lakh 36,232. You can also say 2 crore 12 lakh 36,232 is lesser than 3 crore 56 lakh 45,021. Look into step 2. If the extreme left digit of the two numbers are the same, we compare them on the basis of the next digit towards their right. For example, read the given number. 56 crore 12,000, 56 crore 12 lakh 23,054 and 56 crore 21 lakh 32,054. The both numbers having equal digits. Compare a digit from the left to the right as place value. Look the first two digits in both the numbers, which are 5 and 6 are same, but the digit in the 10 lakh place are different. They are 1 and 2. So 2 is greater than 1. Therefore, 56 crore 12 lakh 23,054 is lesser than 56 crore 21 lakh 32,054. We can also say 56 crore 21 lakh 32,054 is greater than 56 crore 12 lakh 23,054. You can continue this process until we come across unequal digit at the corresponding places. In this session, you learn successor and predecessor of a number and comparison of numbers. Practice well. Thank you. Take care.